Hi, I'm Jenny. I work at University of Michigan as a graduate student, and my research is looking at neurochemicals. So in looking at the neurochemicals, we're interested in what's going on in the brain. So a lot of my research involves the application at looking at and monitoring what changes are going on, and we can look at different disease states, drugs of interaction, see how that's affecting the different levels and changes within the circuits. So I've been doing the research for about 4 years now, and why it's really interesting is that this is a way for us to fundamentally look at what's going on in the brain. This is going to give us a lot of insight into the background of diseases and different disease states that can be really important for drug discovery and development. So we're currently using a triple quad mass spectrometer doing tandem MS-MS, and we're using the Vanquish to do our separations. So the Vanquish itself is a very easy to use system. What's really great about it is that it has a very high pressure limit, one of the highest commercially available right now. This is going to allow us to push the pressure limits, increase the flow rates that we're going at, really cutting down the time of how long it takes to do each run, which is going to really maximize our output and let us do more measurements in a quicker amount of time. So what's great about the Viper fittings is that you don't require any additional tools except for your fingers. And what's really good about that, and I do have small fingers, so it's very helpful, but especially in some of the systems I've used before, the valves are not always conveniently located, making it very problematic to get a full wrench in there to really give that good enough twisting. But really with a finger tight, we haven't had any issues going at flow rates upwards of 0.8 mils a minute, so it's very useful. So currently I think one of the great things about it is that with our current methods that we're using, we're able to assay multiple neurochemicals on the order of 50 plus in a single sample. What's great about that is, we generate lots of information, and traditionally if we were to do a 50 compound separation on a regular LC system, that might take us hours to do that separation. Using the gradient and the flow rates and the pressures that we can go up to in the system, we can cut this down to several minutes. And that's really going to allow us to do more samples, look at different measurements, and get more information. I think I really pride myself on the fact that I'm outgoing. I enjoy meeting new people, talking about my research, and really saying why it's important, what it can really do for the future.